Talk to him. Everybody talk.
All right, quick action here.
Nice. Yeah.
Great. Good, attack him.
Good. There you go.
Let's get back. Let's have a good day. All right, here we go.
High, rip. I got both. Push. Scrub.
The regular season's great, but the playoffs, that's when you get an opportunity to do something special.
Let's go. Goes out. Get back in.
You live to be in moments like this because it keeps you going. It keeps you on that work hard.
I'm low, man. I'm out. Oh, yeah.
Everything now is for the playoffs.
This is exactly what we're just talked about.
We're going to play to win. That's why we're here.
Every defensive mistake, every offensive mistake, everything that's going on in the game, he's preparing us for the playoffs.
Guard it. Box. Make plays for one another, but don't pass up the good ones.
Nice flow, 3 pick and rolls. Good job.
That is winning basketball, guys. We've got to get to doing that every time.
It is fair to dictate how your season is off a playoff run, and we want to go as far as possible.
Together, 1, 2, 3, together.